just got out the shower and I did my makeup off camera real quick, and this is what we're working with, a little itty bitty fro. I cut my hair on August 26th of 2017, and it is now February 14th, which is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to you guys. I hope this video will be posted today. If not, it will be posted tomorrow for sure. So it's a little bit short of 6 months. I know I put 6 months in the title because I mean it's literally like a week from 6 months, and I'm pretty sure I'll have a wig in next week. So I just wanted to make this video real quick because this weekend I'll be wearing my hair natural, giving my hair a break from wigs, because ever since I started getting into wigs a few months ago, if you guys have been keeping up with my socials and stuff like that, I've been literally wearing wigs non-stop. Like my hair's been in braids for months now, which is not bad, but I feel like my hair has retained a lot of length. Just because it's been freezing outside. I live in South Dakota right now, so it is literally cold as fuck here, so the braids have been doing me justice, keeping my hair healthy and stuff like that. But I do want to just give my hair a break from the wigs because I miss my hair and it's gotten so long. I'll insert a few pictures while I'm doing my hair for you guys of what it used to look like when I first cut it, what it looked like my second month. Whenever I took the pictures, I'll put like the date in and stuff like that. So it's grown a lot. I feel like it's kind of dry, but I washed my hair with the Aussie Mega Moist shampoo and conditioner, and I just started using this. This was my first time using it on my natural hair. I've been just using it on my wigs and stuff like that, but today was my first time. And then I deep conditioned with the TGIN deep conditioner. It's the Honey Miracle hair mask, raw honey and olive oil. And I feel like this moisturized my hair very well. And everything that I use will be down in the description box below, just in case you guys didn't catch it. So first, I'm just going to be spraying my hair with some water. This bottle is super dirty because I always put conditioner and oil and stuff in my bottles, and I've been having this bottle for like a year now. So my hair is a little bit dry because I did my makeup with that towel on my head, so it got pretty dry. I've came a long way with my hair, you guys. Like, it was so short. Like, when I first got it cut, well, when I first cut it myself, I didn't think it was that short. Well, obviously it was super short, but I didn't realize how short it was compared to like right now and stuff. Like, oh shit. I try to get braids like maybe this first or second month of me having my hair cut. That was a no-go. Like, the braids literally slipped out. I had the braids in for 6 days. It was a waste of $150, so that was my fault. When I'm styling my hair, it's pretty quick and simple. Like, I don't do too much, and I've been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube of like how to define curls with short natural hair, but I feel like mine are already defined enough. Like, once I put product in, they just automatically define, but I'll try to define them a little bit more for you guys just to show some type of process. First I'm going to be using, before I start, the method that I do for my hair is called the Loc Method. A lot of you guys probably have heard of it before. I posted something about it on Instagram a few months ago, but Loc Method just stands for leave-in, oil, and then cream or butter. So the leave-in I'm going to be using is the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. So let me like show you guys this. Yep, I'm going to be using this first. Even though my hair is still even though my hair is short, I like to put a lot of product in my hair just because that's how I do it. When my hair was long, I still put a lot in. And my hair has been growing pretty good. I just haven't been keeping up on moisturizing it as much as I should be when I have my wigs in and stuff like that. Like, just because your hair is braided and stuff does not mean that you should just like forget about it, like it's gonna take care of itself. And that's what I've been doing. Like, every time I change, like redo the braids and stuff, which is every like 2 weeks, that's when I would moisturize it, and you shouldn't do that. Like, I feel like you should do it more often, especially in the winter and stuff, because it's freezing and dry outside, so your hair needs as much moisture as possible. And I just have been neglecting my hair, so I'm sorry here. And then after, my hair looks stupid. After that, I'm going to put an oil in, and I'm going to be using, sorry. I'm going to be using the Jamaican Mango and Lime Black Castor Oil. Let me, this is what it looks like. And this is the coconut one. I had the mango one, and it smelled disgusting. And I kind of want to put a lot of this in my hair. And I don't usually use castor oil, but since it's the winter time, it's a heavier oil that will seal the moisture in better than like coconut oil or a light oil. So I'm going to be putting this in today. And the next oil I'm going to be using is the Wild Growth Hair Oil. And I truly think that this promotes hair growth. Oh my god, every time I show you guys something, like, it doesn't want to focus me back in. But yeah, like I said, I think this really does help your hair grow. I've been using this faithfully. Before I started doing wigs, I used this every single day for like 3 times a day, but now that I wear wigs and stuff, I only put it in when I have, like, right before I put the wig on. And I usually keep a wig on for a week, then I change the braids, or 2 weeks and I change the braids, and do it like that. So I just put this on my scalp everywhere, and then I'm going to massage this in afterwards. Like, my hair is at the weirdest stage right now, and I bet it gets weirder, but it's like short, but like not long in the front, but it's like longer up here than like medium right here, than like super short in the back, and it's like, it just look weird. I can't wait till I like blow dry it to see how it looks. Then the last step is going to be, oh, where'd I put it? Okay, the cream. Kinky Tresses Coconut Mango Hair Butter. And this, why? Okay. This is like one of my all-time favorite hair butters. Oh, it smells so good, and I'm using a lot, okay? This makes my hair so soft and smells so good, you guys. Like, I use this like in any season, spring, summer, winter, fall, anytime. Because there's some products that I literally will only use like in the summer or in the winter. Like I said, the castor oil, I only use that in the winter time, really. Oh, my hair is at a like weird ass stage. Like, I don't like this that much. And I lied to you guys. I do one more step, and it's just put some type of gel in just to define my hair a little bit more. So the gel that I'm going to be using is, let me see the brand, Curls Blueberry Bliss Curling Jelly. And my sister put me onto this because I did not use this before. Because my camera hates me. And okay, I don't like to use too much when it comes to gel, because I don't want my hair to be crunchy as fuck or hard or anything like that. And I know a lot of people do like the shingling method, and I've done that before when my hair was long, and I like it. It just takes a long time. So I'm gonna do a couple of my curls like that, but I'm not gonna section it off and do all my curls like one by one, but I'm gonna just do some. Okay, so now my hair is like 80% dry, damn near dry, and I'm gonna take my best friend and pick out my hair. And not, when I say pick out my hair, I don't mean like pick it out, I just mean like lift up the roots, you know, give it some more volume and such. So now once that's all done, I think I want to have a little something going on instead of leaving it like this. Part it right here. I'm going to be taking my Hicks Edge Control and laying those edges. I haven't done my real edges in like years. I'm just kidding. Feels like forever though.